The 18-105mm kit lens is the weakest link. Nobody buys it for that. Sony's FX30 is a cinema powerhouse, but this kit pairing might be the worst way to buy it. The 26.1 megapixels APS-C sensor delivers 4K 12010-bit 4:2:2 internally, a feature set that rivals cameras twice the price. You get slow-motion smoothness and color depth that the A6700 simply can't match. Dual native ISO at 800 and 2500 keeps noise under control in low light, letting you shoot confidently at night without a fast prime. In real-world tests, footage stays clean up to ISO 6400, beating the Fuji X-T4. S-Cinetone gives you that cinematic look straight out of camera, with pleasing skin tones and highlight roll-off that saves hours in post. It's a genuine time saver for run-and-gun shooters who can't grade every clip. Cine EI and flexible ISO modes put pro-level exposure tools in your hands, including user LUTs embedded in clips. This is a workflow feature you'd expect on a $4,000 camera, and it's here for $2,000. The 14+ stop dynamic range gives you serious latitude to recover shadows and highlights, making it forgiving for mixed lighting. You can underexpose by 2 stops and still pull a clean image back. With the optional XLR handle, the FX30 becomes a complete audio solution, bypassing the need for an external recorder. For documentary work, that's a one-camera setup that truly works. Sony's autofocus with real-time tracking is sticky and reliable, even in 4K 120, so you can trust it for fast-moving subjects. It's a huge step up from the menu-diving days of the FS5. Here's what you get. 26.1 megapixels Exmor R APS-C, Super 35mm format, image sensor with wide dynamic range, S-Cinetone for a cinematic look straight out of the camera without grading, and flexible ISO, Cine EI Quick and Cine EI Log shooting modes for optimized image quality. The included 18-105mm f/4 lens is a $599 value that's soft at the long end and slow in low light. For $1,999, you'd be better off with the body only at $1,398 and a Sigma 1850mm f/2.8. The 3.0-inch flip screen is low resolution and prone to glare, making it hard to judge focus outdoors. You'll want an external monitor for serious work, which adds cost. Rolling shutter is noticeable in fast pans and handheld moves, especially in 4K 120. It's not as bad as the A7S III, but it's there and will bite you if you're not careful. The camera lacks in-body stabilization, so you're tied to OSS lenses or a gimbal for smooth footage. That's a deal-breaker for some run-and-gun shooters who expect IBIS in 2024. The menu system is still a maze, even with the new touchscreen. It takes days to find the settings you need, and the custom button mapping only goes so far. Skip the kit, get the body alone, and pair it with a fast prime. That's the real FX30 experience. Check the price drop on the body only in the link below. It's often $600 cheaper.